What's up guys, Jim here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a gasket for anything. Just so happens I needed to make one on one of my previous videos for my motorbike cover. Just in case you didn't see that, but you need to know how to make a gasket, I thought I'd put the gasket in a separate video. So here it is. Now to make this new gasket you don't even need the old gasket. Even if it had silicone on it before, but it should have a gasket, this is how you can do it. First off, the thing that you need to make the gasket for, try and get it as clean as possible so there's no dirt, oil or grime on it. Give us a clean surface area to work from. If the metal's really grimy, what I've found you can use is Mr. Muscle oven cleaner. Give it a little scrub with a scouring pad, leave it to soak for a couple of minutes, rinse it off and it should look like new. For the next part you're going to need some gasket paper, which can be found at any auto store, any car parts store, and you're going to grab whatever you need the gasket for, put it on top, and we're going to draw roughly round it, leaving an overhang. Now gasket paper is super cheap. This stuff was 90p a sheet. If you're really stuck or you just want to be really tight, you can use something like a cereal box, like a Kellogg's cereal box. Other cereal brands are available though. Once we've drew around whatever we need to make the gasket for, what you need to do then is grab some nice sharp scissors and cut it out. Okay, you can see here the piece I've cut out and the cover that I need to make a gasket for. You can see it fits over there nicely with a good bit of overhang. And now the next bit we're going to need a ball peen hammer. That's one of these with the round edges, and we're basically going to tap all the way around the cover to make it press out a line for the gasket. Now there are other people that can do this a lot quicker and better than I can. I haven't done one of these for 10 years, so just bear that in mind. But this will show you how to do it. Just take your time. Now you can see here I've got it on a nice hard flat surface, but I've put a rag underneath it so it doesn't mark the actual cover itself. I'm going to line the gasket paper up so the overhang's roughly even all the way around. I'm going to start on the inside edge of the cover I'm making the gasket for. I'm just going to start tapping all the way around it until it's gone all the way around the cover. Right, as you can see I've gone all the way around the gasket now, the inside here, so I'm just going to carefully push it out. Once I've done that, I'm going to then start on the inner lip where all the holes are on the cover. I'm going to tap out the holes for the cover. So it's the same technique, just put the gasket paper back on, making sure it's perfectly in line. Then I'm going to grab the hammer again and do the same thing, but for all the holes, tap them all out. Okay, I've done the inside and the holes as you can see here. Now all I need to do is make the gasket fit the outside of the cover. What I'm going to do for that, rather than use the ball peen hammer technique, is I'm just going to line the gasket up perfectly with the cover, and I'm going to draw around it with my Sharpie and cut it out. So here's the finished result, guys. Pretty happy with it. Saved myself some money. And remember, you can do this with just about anything. So why not give it a try? Till next time. Peace.